crispiness. This is the owner of the store.
Yes, hello.
Hello. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying this is like, because it's not. Look at that. Look at the pork with the crispy skin. This is something very famous out here to try if you are ever in Munich or in Germany. It's Bavarian food, and it's a Bavarian pork. So it's like a pork roast. Can you guys listen to this? Crispiness. That's amazing. Okay, we're gonna try a little. I had a spoon. I'm like, why isn't it cutting? And I guess they serve it over this white sauce here. I mean, I'm sorry, this sauce, this brown sauce here. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good, but if you have the Spanish one is better. But it's good. Let's try here the potato balls. So it's kind of like a potato, but I don't know how they get it to be like this. It's like a squishy form. The potato balls really don't have a lot of flavor, but I guess maybe that's what this sauce is for. You just eat it together. And this is like I think it's like coleslaw, and it's very typical of Bavarian food. Okay. So all the flavor is on the coleslaw and the sauce. So I guess you just mix everything together. So that makes sense, you know, like this, the pork, it's like doesn't have too much flavor, but that's why they give you this coleslaw and the little sauce to eat together. Let me try it together. Let's see if this combination works. Now we're talking. The combination works together. And I know you guys want me to buy this pork. I don't know how I'm gonna buy this. Let's see. I'll just use my hand. I was trying to be, you know, ladylike. You guys hear how that's breaking? That's good stuff. Very good. Okay. And I took it from him, and I was like, I gotta record this before you eat it. My mom's like, you're gonna get this ice cold. So I'm gonna take forever. I'm gonna give this a try, see how it is. It's alright, you know, like, I'm not really a sausage person, but maybe someone who likes sausage, they may like this. The flavor's not so bad. You tried it, what did you think, Nathaniel?
It's okay.
He said it's okay. I mean, it has a little bit of flavor. I'm not gonna sit here and say that it doesn't
It's like
have
the
any
American
flavor.
sausage without all the salt.
And yeah, there we go. Like the American sausage without all the sauce. But if I had to eat this one over the American one, I'll probably eat this one instead. Because like you said, it has some more salt, and I don't like a lot of salt either. Not exaggerated, but it's alright. It's not too bad. It tastes better than the pork. The pork that I had last night, that needed some garlic and more salt and olive oil. It's around €4. I'd rather eat this than the pork. I'll say that again. Look at another unbiased opinion and see what they think. Miguel, good or no? A mí así, good? See? He likes it. But you know, everybody's different. He likes it. This is the owner of the store.
Yes, hello.
Hello. How do you say hello in German?
Hello in German, yes.
Say hi in Germany. In German?
In German, yes.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. You didn't understand me.
No.
It's okay. This is her shop, and this is where I bought the white sausage.
Alles homemade.
All of this is homemade, she says. She's very nice. She let me record her store. And they have all kinds of sausages here, meat to take back home to cook. And I'm gonna show you guys the name of the place. So if you guys ever come to Munich, Germany, you guys can come to this shop. Here it is. I'm pretty sure this is the name right here. And just in case you guys come, look, it's right in front of this little monument here. I think this is a church. So it's right in front of this. So if you guys come, you can see this. Come try this. Because I actually found the sausage to be pretty good. It's not too bad. It's pretty decent. She was a very nice German lady. Hey guys, so here we have the famous, how do you pronounce this? Weisswurst, the white one. And they said it's very good out here, so we're gonna try it. You guys already know how I feel about German food. So here we go, we're gonna try this.
Wunderbar.
So it comes with this mustard sauce to eat with it, and it comes with a pretzel for 380 euros. 380, yeah, 380. I have to say that I kind of like it. It's not too bad. It has pretty good flavor. I like it more than I like the pork. The pork that I ate the other day. Here's a picture so you guys can see. It looked delicious, but it was alright. I'll try it again. I really don't see the point of eating it with the sauce. Some people like it like that. It's just, it doesn't make sense because like the sauce is really sweet, and this is like a little bit with more flavor and salt. It just doesn't make sense to me, but I'll do it anyways. It's not a bad combination. I see what they're trying to do, but you could do without it, or you can do it too. Here's the pretzel, which they're known for. Like on my first video, I put up a picture of this in a beer to represent Germany. So I hope all of those of you that commented got that right. German and beer, pretzel and beer stands for Germany. It's pretty good. I like the little pieces that have like, these are salt pieces. It's good. I like it more than the traditional American bag of pretzels because I don't like that at all. I could eat this. Let's see how it tastes if I dip it into the mustard sauce. Let's see what combination that gives me. I like that. I don't know if that's a thing, dipping this into that mustard sauce, but it's my thing. I like it. So, by far, this is the only thing I've liked out here. It's pretty good. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying this is like, because it's not. But it's edible. Like if I had to come back to Germany, I definitely get this. I would definitely go for this. But it's not something that is leaving a mark on me. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm saying it's edible, you can do it. It's not that bad. It has pretty good flavor, but it's not leaving a mark on me. So we came to this seafood place called Pizzeria. He got the steak, the fries. I got this seafood medley. Looks delicious. Can't wait to have it. And my mom got the soup with the shrimp. Let's try the soup first. I'm trying to bother her. ¿Sabe bien? That's good. That's good stuff. Calamar, you're gonna try this?
Oh my
God, that is good. I tried the steak. It's good, but it's a little on the saltier side. And this is good. I really like this seafood. It's delicious. But remember, this is called Pizzeria, and it's a seafood place, not, traditional Bavarian food. It's not traditional German food. It's seafood. Okay, yeah, man. So this is one of the little fish pieces that come in my plate. That's good. I said to myself, let's go get seafood. Because with seafood, cannot go wrong. I mean, you could, but come on. Almost everybody makes it pretty good, It's not that hard to make. That was the tuna. Very good. And they have guacamole. Interesting. I didn't know that they made guacamole out here. It's very good. The avocados taste fresh and delicious. Let's try a little clam. Very good.
It's a clam.
Mussels? This one's the clam and this is a mussel. And this is the clam. Very good. And let me try the shrimp real quick in front of you guys. Oh, by the way, this was 29 euros. So good. How much was the soup?
16.
16 euros for the soup, and the steak was how much? He doesn't know. We'll ask later and I'll put up the price up here so you guys can see it. I have to say that I don't know what's up with them making meat. It's either no flavor whatsoever or overly salty like this is. So I don't know. Maybe they just I feel like they gotta learn like to be right in the middle, you know? Yeah. Hey guys, so I've never seen this before. It looks like a German fruit. I've never seen it before. I didn't see it in France or any other country that I've been to. Looks like little grapes. You see them? It looks like little grapes. They're red. And I'll try them. They have like the tiniest little ball. They're very tart, and I guess they put them on top of desserts because it came on top of the dessert that I just put up for you guys to see. So it's like tart. I guess it goes good with the combination and dessert if you like tart and sweet. If you guys have ever had these, I don't even know the name. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If you've had these before in Germany, if you've visited Germany before. Hey guys, so I wanted to mention to you guys that if you do come to Germany and you happen to not really enjoy the food in Germany, you have the options of trying different things. They have a lot of Italian places, Irish places, American burgers. They also have Arabic food, like falafels and shawarma. So you have the option of trying different things. You don't have to just pick, typical German food, which is probably why they have so many Italian places, because they want to cater to the tourists. So if people don't enjoy something, like us, we really didn't care too much for the German food, we have the option of going to all these Italian places. This is another stand with cooked food. Look at that, look at the pork with the crispy skin. Looks like here in Bavaria they love pork with crispy skin. So if you guys ever come on here, you can try some of this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really haven't been impressed with their food. I hate to say that, but it's the truth. It tastes alright. I mean, like, you'll eat it. You can eat it, you know. It has a little bit of taste, but it's just not like, oh my god. It doesn't have that term that they say, je ne sais quoi. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right, but that's what I mean. A je ne sais quoi. I don't have that. Now Italy, oh god, the food there is incredible, you know. I mean, you can't blame me. You go to Italy, you have the delicious food that they have out there. You come out here and try the food out here. It's just, you're gonna feel like, compared to, what Italy has to offer. Or us, or us being Hispanics. We're used to a lot of flavor. And they don't do that here in Germany. But then again, look at all the people. I don't see nobody fat here. Everybody's skinny, but that's mostly because of the food. The less processing and the less, condiments and spices, the less things on it. I don't know, I guess maybe they digest better. Because they still eat pork, but I don't see nobody fat. Plus they walk a lot too. Probably just not so much preservatives and not so much salt. That's probably why. I feel like it doesn't have a lot of flavor, not a lot of salt. But everybody's different. Everybody likes what they like. To me, that's just my personal opinion. And I just wanted to let you guys know that. If you come at least to this side of Germany, Munich, Bavarian food, it's alright. It's really not like, oh my god. I haven't been amazed by the food here. And I'm trying to say that a little low because I don't want these Germans to hear me. They're gonna be pissed at me for saying something like that. You come to my country, criticize. But I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. So that way when you guys come out here, know what to expect. If you ask me, would I come to Germany again? Yes, I would. I would come to Germany again because it's beautiful. I like it. But I ain't coming for the food. I'll be coming for the sights. Or to drink some of that German beer, which is why a lot of people come here anyways. They come to drink beer.